YouTube as a teacher. YouTube has become a surprisingly effective educational tool in recent years. While it's primarily known for entertainment and music videos, its vast collection of content also encompasses a wealth of educational resources. Here are some ways YouTube can act as a teacher. 1. Access to a variety of subjects. YouTube offers educational content on virtually any subject imaginable, from math and science to history and art. This makes it a valuable resource for students who want to explore topics beyond the confines of their traditional curriculum. 2. Diverse learning styles. YouTube caters to different learning styles. Visual learners can benefit from animations, diagrams, and demonstrations, while auditory learners can listen to lectures and explanations. Kinesthetic learners can even find workout videos and dance tutorials. 3. Engaging and interactive. Many educational YouTube channels are designed to be engaging and interactive. They use humor, storytelling, and creative visuals to keep viewers entertained and motivated. Some channels even encourage viewers to ask questions and participate in discussions. 4. Personalized learning. YouTube allows viewers to learn at their own pace and revisit topics as needed. This is especially helpful for students who struggle with traditional classroom settings. 5. Free and accessible. Most educational content on YouTube is free to access, making it a valuable resource for students of all backgrounds. This is particularly beneficial for students in underprivileged communities who may not have access to traditional educational resources. Challenges of YouTube as a teacher. However, it's important to note that YouTube also has some limitations as an educational tool. Quality control. The quality of educational content on YouTube varies greatly. It's important for viewers to be critical of the information they find and to fact-check sources before accepting them as credible. Distractions. YouTube's interface can be full of distractions, such as recommended videos and pop-up ads. This can make it difficult for students to stay focused on their learning. Lack of interaction. While some channels offer interaction, most YouTube videos are passive learning experiences. This can make it difficult for students to stay engaged and motivated. YouTube's educational ecosystem, a double-edged classroom in the sky. How we learn and teach. But like any powerful tool, YouTube presents a double-edged sword, offering both boundless opportunities and inherent challenges for students and educators alike. Unlocking the knowledge vault. On the one hand, YouTube's educational arsenal is staggering. Imagine a teacher unbound by classroom walls, wielding the power to conjure up 3D models of a butterfly's wing, delve into the depths of the Mariana Trench, or dissect a Shakespearean sonnet with animated metaphors. YouTube grants access to this boundless knowledge vault, shattering the limitations of traditional textbooks and geographic barriers. Whether you're a student yearning to dissect a frog without the lab stench or a retiree curious about astrophysics, YouTube offers a front-row seat to the world's most captivating lectures, demonstrations, and experiments, catering to every learner. Learning styles dance along a diverse spectrum, and YouTube embraces this heterogeneity. Visual learners feast on meticulously crafted animations and immersive virtual tours, while auditory learners soak up knowledge through eloquent explanations and captivating narratives. Kinesthetic learners get their hands dirty with DIY tutorials and step-by-step demonstrations. This personalized approach caters to individual preferences, transforming the one-size-fits-all classroom into a dynamic learning playground where every student finds their own path to understanding. Beyond the lecture hall, YouTube transcends the passive absorption of information. Engaging formats like interactive quizzes, thought-provoking debates, and collaborative projects transform viewers into active participants. Channels hosted by passionate educators foster communities of learners, where comment sections hum with questions, clarifications, and even friendly disagreements, fueling deeper understanding and intellectual exchange. This collaborative spirit fosters a sense of belonging and breaks down the isolating walls of traditional learning, nurturing a vibrant ecosystem of knowledge co-creation. Navigating the labyrinth. But this treasure trove of information comes with its own set of challenges. Quality control in the YouTube wilderness can be a daunting task. Misinformation masquerading as fact lurks around every corner, demanding critical thinking and source verification skills from both educators and learners. The platform's siren song of distractions, from autoplay recommendations to tempting thumbnail previews, can easily derail a learning session, requiring laser-sharp focus and self-discipline. And while some channels promote interaction, the majority remain passive experiences. To truly harness YouTube's potential, educators need to create supplementary activities, discussions, and collaborative projects to solidify learning and spark critical engagement. The future of learning. Despite its challenges, YouTube's educational potential is undeniable. It democratizes knowledge, personalizes learning, and fosters vibrant communities of learners. By harnessing its strengths and mitigating its pitfalls, YouTube can empower individuals to become self-directed knowledge seekers, fostering a lifelong love of learning that transcends the confines of traditional classrooms. The future of education doesn't lie in replacing teachers with algorithms, but in embracing the dynamic possibilities of platforms like YouTube as powerful tools to complement and enrich the learning experience. So, the next time you open YouTube, remember, it's not just a platform for entertainment. It's a potential gateway to a universe of knowledge waiting to be explored. Overall, YouTube can be a valuable educational tool when used thoughtfully and critically. It can provide students with access to a wide variety of subjects, cater to different learning styles, and make learning more engaging and interactive. However, it's important to be aware of the limitations of YouTube as a teacher and to supplement it with other learning resources.